Yeah, baby. Oh, yes. One of our final surveys of the mission. I mean, we're winding down, we're coming to a close. Weather was actually pretty bad last night, so we had to make a decision whether we were going to go, so we went ahead and we dove. And on the first line of that survey, we came across a wreck. We're going to set up and do a high frequency, high resolution survey on it now, so we can just, really I just need to get a cross section and a length on the ship, and either one of those is going to tell us what it is, because really what's left is Soryu and Akagi in this area, and those two ships are there's a major differences. Island was on port side. She's sitting upright on her keel. We can see the bow, we can see the stern clearly. You can see some of the gun emplacements on there. You can see some of the flight deck is also torn up and missing, so you can actually look right into where the flight deck would be. I'm sure of what we're seeing here. The dimensions that we're able to derive from this image is conclusive. The length on this ship is about 258 to 259 meters as we can measure it in length, and the width is about 32 meters. So it can be none other than Akagi.
Congratulations.
That is Akagi.